Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you a coffee lover? Then I think you're gonna love this espresso machine from Nespresso. This is the Inissia model.
I love this espresso machine. It's sleek, it's compact, and lightweight. It's under 5.5 pounds. It also features two programmable buttons for espresso or lungo. And it also has a folding tray that lifts up if you want to accommodate a larger mug, or it can also catch any drips. I also like that it has a 24-ounce tank, so you're not constantly having to refill it with water. It also heats up very quickly, so especially in the mornings, you're not waiting too long to get a sip of your espresso. It also comes with a welcome sampler with different varieties and flavors of Nespresso pods that you can try and fall in love at first sip. Once you're done enjoying your coffee, it's very easy to clean. You can just remove the foldable tray, remove the pod, rinse, and you can just place back in your machine and leave it ready for the next day when you want your espresso in the morning.
I love this espresso machine. You will not regret this purchase, and that's just my point of view.